In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your device connected to the Wi-Fi but no internet connection. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's get started. So the first step is you might want to check your router first. Now, it might be a problem in your router or it might be a problem in your phone. So the first step is go to your router, unplug it and plug it back in and try to use your Wi-Fi. Now, if that does not work, we will just tweak some settings on our phone. So now what you'll need to do is go to your settings. Now, after you're on your settings, you can just turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off. Now, this is a really simple trick, but it does work, and try to connect to your Wi-Fi and use the internet. But if that does not work, what you'll need to do is scroll down on your settings and go to screen time. Now, after you are on screen time, scroll down again and there you will see content and privacy restrictions. Now, if this is turned on, just turn it off. And after you've done that, try to use your Wi-Fi again. Now, if that does not work, the last fix is just go to your general on your settings and scroll down all the way, and there you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and there you will see reset option. Tap on reset. Now you will see a reset network settings option. Just tap on reset network settings and you will need to type in your iPhone's password, and after you do that, your phone will restart and your network settings will get reset. After doing that, if there is a problem on your phone, it will get fixed and you will be able to use your Wi-Fi. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.